Morning. So the kids are at school. I just got back from my mom's store because I dropped off some balloons and flowers for her birthday. So for Korean tradition, people eat miyeokguk on their birthday. So I made some miyeokguk. Made some for my mom and took it to her this morning. There's only a little bit left. I'm about to have breakfast and watch Squid Games. I started on it last week while the kids are at school. And I'm gonna watch part 2 today. Aiden's still sleeping. He slept really late yesterday, so he's still taking a nap. Last week, I started working out again because I was just losing so much weight. My body type, I need to work out in order to gain weight, like the muscle mass, or else like I just keep getting skinny and lose all my muscle mass. So I've been just working out at home. I've been trying to eat like 4 or 5 meals a day. I haven't been skipping. I usually don't eat breakfast, but right now since I'm trying to gain weight, I'm making sure that I eat breakfast. It's gonna have some bagels, pizza rolls, and banana with peanut butter. Oh, so this book was sent to me from Francisca, and she wrote this book. It's so fun. I read like that much so far. So thank you, Francisca. Time for Squid Game. I can only watch it when the kids are at school because it's kind of scary, like very bloody. I'm gonna do my nails while watching Squid Game. So these are from Mr. Bauer. So I actually know the lady that launched this brand. I met her in Jeju-do with Joan. We went to Jeju-do together like a couple years ago, and this is before she even started the Mr. Bauer company. It's amazing to see how she started her own company and how much it grew. It's now available at like Sephora Korea and so many other places. So she sent me like a couple of her new designs. This was her design from like a few years ago with Sephora. And yeah, these black hearts, pink, blue, neon. Oh, and she also sent me, you use this to remove the gel. And then, wow, this is a LED gel lamp. Whoa. Oh, so I set it down on the table and do this, like at the nail shop, and it's gonna make the gel last longer. Ooh, I'm gonna start charging this while I put on my nails. So I'm meeting my best friend Victoria and this other friend Min Onni. I haven't seen her after I moved back, so we're gonna have lunch together. We're gonna eat Mediterranean food. I love this place called Terra. They have really good Mediterranean food. Just put the USB cable in there to charge it and set it down like that. Beep. Love the packaging. This is so pretty. Which one should I do? I've been into blue lately. Tried this one. The 36 tips, prep pads, and a nail file. Ooh. I'm gonna apply all 10 and then maybe apply the top coat and then stick it in the LED light. Done. Wow, the gel, it dried up really fast. I feel like I just came back from a Korean nail salon. So I have about an hour until I meet up my friends. I'm gonna do some quick leg exercises and then get ready to meet them up. So Aiden got me this 15-pound bar that I use when I do squats, and I usually work out with this, 2 of these. So I'm done with my quick 15-minute workout. I usually work out for about 40 minutes. Take my protein shake and then get ready. It was Yeonwoo's birthday party like 2 weeks ago, and now I have to prepare for Seonwoo's birthday party in 2 weeks. So their birthdays are almost like 1 month apart. My hair is getting so long. Should I cut it? You know when your hair gets so long, like your hair is not healthy because the nutrients doesn't go down to your ends. So it's good to trim your hair often. When I was young, I used to have bushy brows, like really big fat brows, and I was always embarrassed of them. I used to always pluck it, especially my unibrow. But now I'm like, I want my bushy brows back, because as I'm aging, like my brow hairs won't grow back. So this is all I have now. Okay, I need a dress. I'm gonna wave my hair a little bit. Seonwoo has been reading so well. Like, I'm pretty shocked. He's catching up so fast, and maybe it's because he's still young and his brain is like a sponge. But yes, he reads really, really well. I love his teacher. She's always been like sending him like little gifts. This. He always brings back something. And she's so nice. We have 12 new winter scrunchies, and they're so pretty. I'm like, wow. So after lunch, I'm gonna stop by the mall to buy my mom's birthday gift, and then I'm gonna probably go buy a cake, because the cake that I like is close to where we're gonna be eating. And then come back home, put the cake in the refrigerator, and then go pick up the kids, and then the kids have art school after class. So I have the winter scrunchies here. Here are the Christmas scrunchies. So pretty. I love plaids. This is like a white base plaid, and then a darker black. We have this green one here. This is so pretty. It's like a Korean fabric, like a silky smooth blue scrunchie. This is also really pretty.
Some people spend like 50, 60불.
It's another restaurant.
Oh, it's a restaurant? Wow. This man on me. Cute.
36 ounces.
I'll have a Sprite, please.
Right?
Do you have
Coke.
a drink?
Yeah, I can have you.
Here's all their food. Curry's really good, and then I really like their chicken, and their rice is good. Everything. Oh, cauliflower is really good. I like their garlic sauce too. Aiden's first time here.
하나도 안 들려 너 말하는 거. 가서 앉아서 보여줘. 앉아서. 이런 거.
There's hot sauce?
I mixed it with the
Rotisserie chicken's really good with their baked cauliflower and chicken. Vicky said the hot sauce with the garlic sauce is good. Yeah.
다음에 먹자.
every boy size.
Off Aiden at the house before we head to art because he has work to finish. So far. We could have parked right here, which is like, hey, we could have parked here. It's like 2 cars down. Anyways.
I don't want to park between the car.
Curry. Family, we don't really eat a lot of cake. So I'm just gonna get a small one since, yeah.
사서 하나 먹자.
Actually ate a lot. He ate like 4 plates.
아, 2번 먹었는데 많이 먹었지?
Yeah, full plates.
아, 맛있었어.
The lemon chicken was good.
아, 레몬 치킨 다리 부분
And
있었어.
he liked a lot of the lamb meat.
꼬치, 꼬치.
Is that called kebab? What is it called?
스큐어.
Skewers? Yeah, on the stick.
쓰는 거야 아니면 원래 쓰랬어?
엄마 몰라. 선아 오늘 팝콘 먹었어? Aiden's making tonkatsu and some salad here. Aiden's gonna fry the tonkatsu in about 20 minutes when they get here because it tastes better when it's like fresh and warm. What? brand?
단단하게 생겨.
엄마 빨리빨리 매워타고 있어. 연우 할머니 옆에 만원 도와줘야 돼. 시작.
없어졌지?
다 뺐어.
뺐어? 솔드아웃 된 게 아니고?
Printer that I showed you guys last time. We've been loving our printer. We've been like printing out all these fun activities like crossword puzzles, math problems, and stuff to keep them busy. Our party decos came in for Tanu's birthday party, like the plates and napkins and tablecloth. It's gonna be Minecraft. The boys love Minecraft. Guys, everyone left. I totally forgot to vlog the food because I was so busy. But yes, the tonkatsu turned out really good. The kids are asleep now. I have so much cleaning to do. Like, look at this table over here and then all this mess. Thank you for watching my vlog. Bye guys.